Hostinger promo codes. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's discuss about Hostinger's promo codes, and actually in their own website, they actually have their own page labeled coupons where you could see prices with very good discounts, as you can see here, very big discounts. So right now it's in my currency, but as you can see, compared to before, we were able to save, or we can save up to 82%. Depending on the plan that you have over here, it has different percentage of how much you're gonna save. But these are available coupons available right now for us to simply purchase with if we click on use coupon over here. Now, these discounts or these coupons are not typically available all year round. So what you're going to see, as you can see, when you go to their homepage, it's automatically going to apply, of course. But every now and then it's going to change, it's going to save, or it's going to decrease from 50% to 80%, and it's going to play around with those numbers. And as you can see here, it's actually even lower or even higher in this page over here. But in our coupon page, it's cheaper, as you can see. So simply visit hostinger.com or that whatever your location is slash coupons, and you will be able to see the available coupons for us to pay or purchase with in Hostinger. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.